Mom, what if I told you that not starting your online business is actually costing you more than you think? Every month you wait, you're leaving money on the table. Think about it. How much extra cash could you have used for your family vacations or your savings? This is why I started my 2-hour workday online business. It's fully automated, runs 24/7, and let me earn in dollars. I'm making 100% profit using this proven system. No chasing after customers, for this is a high on demand proven system. People come to you. So if you're ready and you are tired of waiting and watching others win, comment ready. Let me show you how you can get started.